December 2025, Amazon engineers were told to use AI for 80% of their work. An internal AI tool suggested deleting the entire production code base to fix a bug. 13 hours of downtime, millions in losses, 6.3 million vanished customer orders. The company later blamed human error, not the AI. But here is what nobody asked. Whose KPI was it to follow the AI suggestion without questioning it? Forget Silicon Valley. The same tools are being deployed across Indian IT right now. And here is the number nobody talks about. More than 14 lakhs IT employees in India, the bottom 30% doing repetitive execution work are at risk. Not next decade, the next 18 months. Hey everyone, welcome back to Krantify, where we decode the unwritten rule of the Indian IT industry. Today I'm giving you three specific things you must do starting Monday. So let's dive in. Gartner report found 55% of companies that replaced human with AI regret it. But here is the twist. They are not rehiring for the same roles. They are hiring architects, product thinkers, people who direct AI, not people AI can direct. Let me ground this in Indian numbers. One of the India's largest IT services companies laid off 12,000 people, nearly 2% of their global workforce, while simultaneously training 3 lakhs employees on generative AI. That's not coincidence. That's restructuring. Another major Indian IT firm cut fresher salaries by nearly half, from 6.5 lakhs to 3.5 lakh, while investing heavily in AI upskilling for existing staff. A third company hired 20,000 freshers but is actively training over 2.57 lakh existing employee on AI tools. Companies are not waiting for you to catch up. They are reshaping the workforce right now. The role AI handles cheaply are being downgraded or removed. The roles that require human judgment are being protected and grown. So, what you need to do? Thing one, your first action is brutally simple. Pull up your last 2 weeks of work. Mark every task. Green if it requires human judgment, yellow if AI can assist, red if AI can do entire today. If your calendar is more than 60% red and yellow, every day you delay a day, you bet your career against an algorithm, and the algorithm doesn't get tired. Thing two, become dangerous with one AI tool, not five, not 10, only one. Here is why depth beats breadth. A Harvard BCG study tested 758 consultants using AI. The one who used AI casually, typing basic prompt with no structured process, performing 19% points worse than those who didn't use AI at all. Same AI model, different result. But the ones who built a process around one tool delivered 25% faster with 40% higher quality. So pick one tool based on your role. If you are a developer, Cursor or GitHub Copilot. Go so deep you can generate entire feature from a single well-crafted prompt. If you are a tester, learn to convert manual test cases to automated script using ChatGPT or Claude in under 60 seconds. If you are a support or operations engineer, use AI powered documentation tool to generate report and presentation from plain English. The metric that matters, can you do your current job 2x faster with this tool than without it? If not, you haven't gone deep enough. Here is the framework that has stuck with me. AI drives you to the average, because that's literally what it was trained on. Your judgment, your taste, your ability to know which 30% of the AI output is actually worth keeping. That is what makes you valuable. But you earn the right to execute judgment only after you have mastered the tool itself. Thing 3, pivot from execution to decision making. Some of the sharpest career analysts on the YouTube have identified 5 roles, IT roles AI struggles to touch: enterprise architect, technical product manager, cyber security incident response, site reliability engineer, and IT governance and compliance. What do all 5 have in common? They require human judgment. Someone has to own the decision, someone has to convince stakeholders, someone has to take responsibility when things go wrong. Here is why this matters specifically for India. The IT services model that built our industry, large teams doing repetitive work at scale. And that is the exact model AI disrupted first. AI is replacing entry level execution tasks brilliantly. But companies are still desperately searching for mid level and senior people who can see this whole system. The demand for experience judgment is actually increasing. Note down your concrete actions. In your next project meeting, don't just report status, propose a state solution. Identify one bottleneck, write one page recommendation, and send it to your lead before anyone else. The person who solves problem before being asked is the last person any company lets go. I have been in boardroom across startups, MNCs, and top tier companies. Nobody says, let's replace human. They say, let's deliver more with the same headcount. Your job is to make sure your name is on the more side of the equation. Your 3 things starting Monday. 1, audit your work, red, yellow, green, know exactly where you stand. 2, pick one AI tool, go deep for 30 days, track your speed. Number 3, bring one unsolicited solution to your next project meeting. Make your judgment valuable and visible. The Indian IT story is not over, it's evolving. Software industry as a whole is growing. The pie is getting bigger. The question is only whether you are positioning yourself to take a larger slice or a smaller one. Drop a comment which of these 3 you starting with. Share this with one colleague who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Krantify if you haven't already. Stay curious, stay Krantified. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.